Hi, this is Mrs. McGurk, and I am the 8th grade math teacher for your student. I wanted to give you a little update on Schoology and grading so you can sort of help your student work through that this week. I made this fake account, it's actually my husband, and put in some grades so I could explain to you how to check your students' grades and how to understand them. So we've had a great first week. We called this Unit 0. It was all back to school, get to know you, learn how to work Schoology type of assignments. And that unit ended on Friday. Typically, all of the work for that unit and any redos of that work is due at the end of the unit. But given that we had, a big learning curve this week and the kids did a really good job, but I wanted to give them some extra time. So for this unit, they have until Friday, September 18th to complete any of the work or redo any of the work. Now, keep in mind that this is just in Schoology. So this is in their Schoology gradebook. It's not the official grade. The official grade is in PowerSchool. So I keep their homework grades and their daily class grades in Schoology, and then at the end of the unit, I move it to PowerSchool. Quizzes and tests will also go directly to PowerSchool. So I wanted to show you that you can log in as a parent and check this, or you can have your student log in and show you. I would encourage you to check in with them periodically to make sure they are staying up to date with all their assignments. They have daily work, and I would encourage them to get it done the day that it's assigned. But I understand sometimes things happen, so if they need a little extra time, that's okay. But by the end of the unit, everything has to be turned in and redone for that unit. If you do not have Schoology access, please check the video link at the bottom of the team newsletter that Mr. Sisk sends out every week. All right, so when you log in, or your student logs in, they can click on grades. And here is the grade so far for this pretend student, Mr. McGurk, for Unit 0. So he's doing pretty well. Looks like he has an 87. But when you look a little more closely at this, I wanted to explain that he doesn't really have an 87. Right here, this assignment, if you see no number, but you see a blue dot or blue box, that means the assignment was submitted, but I still need to grade it. So this means student has done the work, teacher needs to grade. Okay, here is just the grade for the assignment. On this one, I did leave a comment for the student. They can redo work, that's perfectly fine. Here's one where I put a grade and another comment. Missing work is when you just see the dash and no blue box. And then again, when you see the dash with the blue box, that is work that I need to grade. So I can put comments in here to your students. If they see anything that they would like to redo, they can certainly go back and redo that anytime before the unit ends. So again, keep in mind that this grade would really be a little bit lower because some of these missing ones would have to go in as zeros if it was being transferred to PowerSchool. So if you have any questions, please send me an email, but your kids are doing a great job. Thank you for your support. It's been fun getting to know them this week.